Well, hi there. This is Dr. Elise Cortez coming at you with an invitation to join us for one or some of our upcoming online workshops for the public. Anyone can attend. So the first one I'll introduce you to, I'm going to introduce you to 7 of them. So the first one is New Year, New You, setting fierce goals to step into your shine. And this is where we'll take you through a very inspiring session to get you thinking beyond what you normally think about for goals for yourself for the new year and beyond. So you will leave with a slate of goals in 9 different categories. That's the first. The next workshop that we have available to you is called Women's Storytelling, Connecting and Lifting Through Sharing. And this is where we gather 1 or 2 women from somewhere who share their very powerful stories of whatever they've gone through, persevered through. And then you, the participant, can connect with that story. Maybe you get relieved of something, inspired by something, but it's a beautiful afternoon of sharing that just opens something in people. Third workshop is called Build Your Strengths-Based Life and Thrive. This is where we will ascertain your top 5 Gallup strengths and take you through learning about what those mean, how they drive your desired ways of behaving and communicating. Really opens up something in how you relate to people and how you deliver your impact. The fourth session we have available to you is called Coloring Life, Your Transformation to Growth from Loss. And this is a session that is designed for anyone who's been grieving from something. Maybe you lost a job, a loved one, a loved pet. Maybe you're going through divorce. Whatever that might be, where you've got a loss ahead of you and you need some help to navigate through that. So we'll take you through a powerful sharing session about loss and also what's on the other side of loss, which is growth and transformation. Fifth workshop available to you is for students. This is for students that are high school or college students. It's called Discover and Leverage Your Strengths at Work and School. Same thing as the other one for the adults. We'll assess your top 5 Gallup strengths and help you understand how they show up in your behavior and communication and distinguish you. And then next, we have 2 workshops that are whereas all the former are one singular session. The next 2 are delivered in 6 90-minute sessions. They're on Saturdays. All of these are. And so the next one's called Awaken and Unfold, Nurturing Higher Consciousness and Embracing Your Deeper Emotions. This is the most recent, brand new collaboration in terms of thought, in terms of what's advancing our thinking and our best, highest contribution in terms of workshops. Just as it says, we're going to be really inspiring you to reach higher into your potential through your consciousness and helping to expand your capacity to experience your fuller range of emotions, to make those deeper relationships, to have the greater creativity, to make the bigger impact that you crave. And then the last workshop to introduce you to is called Grab Your Gusto, Ignite Your Passion and Purpose for Greater Fulfillment and Impact. And this is a signature course for us. This is where we're going to teach you how to tap into your own sources of meaning, your identity, your passion, your purpose, your inspiration. It is powerful. This is well received inside organizations already, inside companies. And this one is for anyone who wants to join us. So go to the LinkedIn or go to the Eventbrite registration links, sign up, send it on to a friend of yours, and we will see you in class and ignite you to the other side. Happy to be on the journey with you.